Blizzard Entertainment headquarters. The makers of World of Warcraft, Diablo 3, StarCraft is right here. This is where they do it. Blizzard Entertainment. Look how big their building is. Unbelievable. There's their headquarters. Awesome. Makers of the World of Warcraft, StarCraft, Diablo 3, and more. Oh, here's a good one. Blizzard Entertainment. There it is. Located on the streets of Laguna Canyon and Alton. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Blizzard Entertainment headquarters. They got World of Warcraft in there, StarCraft, and all that good stuff. Here's a better view. Blizzard Entertainment. But yeah, that's a big ass building too. Look how far it goes back. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching.